Well, hello everyone. Today I'm doing a fire alarm collection video. And first off, we have the Siemens UM-HUM-CS horn strobe. And this is an EST Genesis G1 RFVM strobe. And this is an EST Genesis G1F VM strobe. And this is the Siemens US75W strobe. And wait. Okay. This right here is the fake Spectre Alert Classic. Spectre Alert Classic, which is a Chinese fire alarm. See, it says KK Moon and fire lettering, and it looks just like a Spectre Alert Classic. This right here is my Gentex SSPK 2415/75WR speaker strobe, and this hasn't been tested before, so let me just this right here is a Simplex 4906-9101 True Alert remote strobe, and which this was something I got for my birthday, brand new. And here I don't know if that's Finland's or SCR. And this right here is my Gentex GECB24PWB Blue Commander 3, which this is very rare. There's no fire lettering on the side, so this is very rare, but I like find this thing at Lowe's. So, yep, here it is, the model. And yeah. So yeah, I'm getting the regular version of this and also the Commander 4. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace out.